ಹಲೋ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥೇನ ಬೇ ಯಾನು ಬೇ ಮಾಂ ಪಾತಿರ್ನು ಸುಬ್ಬಾಮು ಗುರ್ತಾಯಿ ಗಜ ನನ್ನ ಮುಸುಂದರ್ ಪೈತೆ ಬೊಂಬೈಗೆ ಬೈ ಜನ ಐನ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ತೂತ್ ಜನ ಅನ್ನದು ಯಾನು ಊರಿಗೆ ಬೈದೆ ಮಗ ಯಾನು ಊರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಮೂಲ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟು ಎಡ್ಡು ಜಾಗ ಇತ್ತು ನಾನು ಅರ್ಧಗರು ಅನ್ನನ್ನು ಎಡ್ಡು ಜನ ಅವಡು ಏರ್ಲಾವ್ ಗುರ್ತ ನನಗೆ
ನಿವೇಶನ ಅಥವಾ ಕಟ್ಟಡ ಖರೀದಿಸಲು ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
In cities and also in highways, this sort of multi-tone horns and air horns, especially vacuum horns, are not permitted. As of now, you know, there are no such rules being followed out.
While driving, I can also see that they are continuously blowing the horn for 2 to 3 or 5 seconds, and it's so irritative that we cannot drive. Our concentration will lose our concentration. But even police are not even asking them, you are not stopping the vehicles or buses. Especially these horns are shown in buses and near the schools and hospitals also. It is very irritative.
There are a lot of vehicles which have multi-tone horns, which is actually it's not allowed, but still people have it. And even these auto rickshaws, they have some weird kind of horns and all that. It's a problem for everybody actually, especially for two-wheelers. And when we are riding, when we are going on the way, suddenly a bus comes from behind us and suddenly they horn so loudly, it actually scares us. And especially in the school areas and all such places, and even hospitals, and all those hospitals, they are roadside hospitals. So I think actually these buses and all that, they should have a little bit sense, you know, when they horn, because they horn so loudly, it actually disturbs everybody. There are a lot of people who unnecessarily horn on the road. See, when there is a requirement, they should horn. Unnecessarily horning, making sounds with the horn, all that should be, you know, people should think about it.
We are so educated people especially in Dakshina Kannada, and we are having good police force also. Why police are not taking the action? We are just not able to understand the concept only. See, whatever we do, we should not disturb anybody else. Whatever we have to do, we should enjoy our work, and we should permit others also. So my kind request to police department is please take decision on this and prevent these horns.
police department must, take preventive actions on all this. I think I would like to tell everybody that please, horn sensibly, and it's not good that you keep on horning like that.